everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know 10 things every modern bathroom needs to have, so let's start today's episode. Number 1. Showers location. Showers may be incorporated into the bathtub or be located in separate stalls. It is possible to get versions in a variety of shapes and sizes. Many of these models come with a selection of shower heads, with detachable, rain, and massaging options depending on your tastes and requirements. Number 2. Draw attention to your sleek sink. With the bathroom sink, you have the opportunity to make a strong statement about your style. Elegant carved freestanding basins may be used alone or in pairs, making a statement in any bathroom setting. To conceal the plumbing, pedestal basins feature a base that rests on the floor. You may make them appear more modern or more traditional depending on your preferences. Sinks may be made from a variety of materials including porcelain, the most common, metal, cast iron, stone, glass, and even wood, which can be sculpted into a variety of shapes and sizes. Number 3. Mirror. The height of the bathroom may be accentuated by using a tall mirror. Reflective surfaces, such as mirrors, increase the perceived size of a space while also amplifying the illumination provided by light fixtures. Reflective ceramic tiles may also serve to brighten the bathroom. Because they're easier to maintain, glossy surfaces are a popular choice for modern bathroom designs. Number 4. Color. It's no accident that relaxing shades like aqua blue and pastel blue are prevalent in spa decor. A relaxing color palette comprising bright hues and bluish cold tones should be used whenever possible. Metallic accessories in the bathroom should be chosen with care, and they should be finished in a clean white finish. Number 5. Light. The harsh, unpleasant lighting in most bathrooms may be remedied with a little creative interior design in the bathroom. Studio lights are popular, especially near vanities where women do their makeup. Heat lamps are also popular for enhancing the steam and soothing heat produced by a warm bath or shower. A functional modern bathroom cannot be completed without adequate illumination. Make certain that task lighting and mirror lighting are properly situated to prevent casting shadows. Number 6. Storage space. Even if your bathroom is on the smaller side, that doesn't mean you have to give up on storage. It is possible to include concealed hidden storage places in several methods. In certain bathrooms, a hole cut into the wall behind a ceramic tile might be used to conceal a storage compartment for personal care items and body products. Use vertical space for modern bathroom designs, if possible. Number 7. Corner space. When it comes to modern bathroom ideas for small spaces, the gap between the corners of the walls is often disregarded. Independent shelves and racks as well as floating drawers can be integrated effortlessly in the corners to maximize storage space. Number 8. Tile textures. Make sure the tiles you choose for the shower base aren't too slippery for your modern bathroom. Tiles with rougher surfaces, on the other hand, are more difficult to clean since they are more likely to collect dirt. Anti-slip porcelain and ceramic tiles should be your go-to choice, which is extremely popular in bathroom showers, since they are both convenient and safe to walk on, and are available in a wide range of colors, textures and finishes. Number 9. Accessorize. Whether you splash out or hunt through the discount sites, accessories are an excellent way to personalize your environment. Accessories might vary according to personal preference. Artificial plants are ideal for bathrooms that get little natural light. Gallery walls, soap dispensers, towel racks, lighting fixtures are all excellent additions to your modern bathroom design. Number 10. Contemporary towel rails. Contemporary heated towel rails are all about combining design and function to bring you the most fabulous designs along with the most cozy warm bathroom space. Having a heated towel rail in your modern suite is a must. You need something to keep those new warm fluffy towels warm. There are so many options when it comes to heated towel rails that you're almost spoilt for choice. From understated ladder styles to flamboyant, curved models, there is a style to suit any suite, cloakroom or ensuite. From minimalistic matte black to polished chrome, the heated towel rail is ideal for creating a warm, relaxing atmosphere. Today our episode so far. If you like our video then please like, comment and subscribe. And Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.